Hey, I wanted to give you a quick show how I'm going to trim the block up. So the first thing I'm going to do is turn it over. This is your sewing line, and this is your outer line for the where you're going to cut your fabric. So this is the line that you're going to sew on. So when you put your ruler on it to square it up, you want to make sure that you cut the outermost line. If you're, some patterns don't have this line on the outside, so you always want to make sure you cut a 1/4 inch outside the seam line. So we're going to cut this one right here. We're going to put it right on that line and cut. And sometimes whenever you have where the seams come together, it's a little bit harder to cut. I'm going to turn my block because I'm always want to keep it where I have the most control, because if you cut it too small, you'll have too small of a seam allowance. So here, second cut. I'm going to move it one more time. Here's my third cut. I've lined it up. I've got these little dots right along that sewing line so that I know I am just perfect on that. There you go. Fourth cut. Got it lined up. Got it trimmed up. Okay, so now we've got the solar flare block trimmed up, and we're ready to join the blocks together. Thanks so much. I hope you find squaring these up easy.